Hello, everyone. I'm Lauren from Rampart Communications. You met my CTO, Keith, on Tuesday and Wednesday. My focus today is just talking a little bit about the employment side and not so much the technology side. So prior to Rampart, I spent the better part of my career working for large institutions where I found myself getting lost, forgotten, stifled, not really having a clear path of advance. Not really making much of an impact or really growing as a professional. And for unrelated reasons, I decided to relocate from New York down to Maryland. And I started working with a recruiter. And I was once again looking for another large scale institution because that's what I knew, where my recruiter challenged me to look at something different, to look at Rampart. She advised me to consider some of the growth opportunities offered by a startup. The opportunity to create, build, and grow, and do some exciting things, work with new science, and to use my talents that can help shape the company. So Rampart Communications is technically a startup, but a better description of Rampart is a baby with a mustache. My first day, the founders said this to me, and I thought it was so weird, but it makes sense. The mustache is our technology. It's something that's been refined over 5 years. Our founders are experts in their field with over 25 years combined experience working in information security. Since 2016, they have secured patents, achieved independent validation, and created multiple prototypes. The advisory board and leadership are industry professionals that have experience building organizations globally. And the baby portion of the baby with the mustache is that, yes, we just hired our first employee last year, but since then we've increased our size to 11 people. And this translates into our company culture being defined by mutual trust and respect. So yes, we are still in the startup phase, but one of the goals that we have in recruitment is we're always looking for culture add and not a culture fit. So traditionally, for most organizations, particularly the ones that I've been in, a culture fit has been very much to maintain and to fall into line. They say things like, we've always done it this way. We really don't want any new ideas. We want you just to come in and fix the problems that we have, not really create your own new paths. Versus an ad is, we want you to be the impact. We want you to bring your whole self to work, and we want you to think differently, have that direct impact on day-to-day operations and long-term goals. And it's okay if you don't always agree with the method that we've done in the past. We're open to new ideas. We value curiosity, learning, and pushing the bounds of science. Our founders care about personal growth and development for all of our teammates at Rampart. So it's very common to see our leaders around the office with whiteboards, taking time to explain different concepts, principles, techniques, and ideas. Or even hosting brown bag discussions where we talk about different topics that are completely unrelated to DSP, FPGA, or anything that we do in Rampart day-to-day operations. And although my primary focus has always been HR related, I had a personal curiosity about building my own computer. I shared with our team that I learned how to upgrade 2 of my Macs, the RAM in 2 of my Macs, and I was really curious of completing that process and building the computer. So when our CTO found out that I wanted to do this, he volunteered to sort of take me under his wing and teach me how to do that. So overall, yes, Rampart technology is great, and Rampart is also great because of its people and our commitment to our people and their development. So if you're the type of person that wants to make that impact, reach out. Thank you.